Oh, it's been a long day. I can't wait to just sit down and watch TV. Carrie, where's my remote? It's got to be here someplace. Oh, here it is. Okay. My other remote. I have the remote for everything here. Well, I got the remote for the DVD. Where's my other one? Man, get these remotes. Okay, well, now I have to, friend, get this. I get, phone. Where's the phone? Oh, hello. Oh, sheesh. Anyway, you know what could solve this problem is the remote control apron from DotSpot. Let me show you how this works. You fold it over, tuck it in, and you have got a spot for everything. DVD, TV, remote control, telephone, and even, my glasses. This is perfect. Now, I'm ready to watch TV. If you want this, call the DotSpot. If you're in a spot, call the DotSpot. Thank you.